Hello, students. Welcome to week 6 in the JSS 1 first STEM curriculum. Thank you for being here and thank you for also learning English with me. Now, in this class, we will be learning one of the one of the pure vowel. Now, if you are just hearing the word pure vowel for the first time, please do well to pause this video and check other classes where we've treated pure vowel, otherwise known as monophthong. And also we've also learned how to pronounce the first three pure vowel. So you can do well to watch those videos before you continue this class. All right, now let's get started. In this class, we will be learning how to pronounce the fourth pure vowel and where they occur in words. That is what we'll be learning in this class. First, how to pronounce the fourth pure vowel and also where they occur in words. Now, every vowel is written in slashes. Every vowel is written in slashes. Now, this vowel we will be learning is a combination of two letters. So, it's a combination of A and E. A and E. Now, when you combine these two letters together, you get your fourth pure vowel, and it has just one sound. Just one sound. Now, I want you to watch me, listen, and repeat after me. I'm about to pronounce the fourth vowel, A. 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 Very good. Now, I'm sure you noticed how the movement of my mouth. Now, when you are pronouncing this vowel, your lip is a bit open, and then your tongue is the front of your tongue is lowered. Now, one thing you should know is that the tongue, we have three parts of the tongue. We have the front, the back, and then the tip of the tongue. Now, when you are pronouncing this sound, the tip of your tongue is lowered, and then the back of your tongue is raised. Very good. Now let's pronounce the sound again. Ah, ah. Very good. I'm sure you noticed that. Now, one thing you should know is that if there is no movement of the organs of speech, these sounds will not be pronounced correctly. Like I said earlier, this is the fourth vowel, ah, and we get to see it in words like bad, bad, B-A-D, bad. So this sound occurs in the middle of this word. So in this word, we have three sounds. So let's break it down. We have three sounds. We have B, A, and D. Now, when you blend them together, you have the word bad. Bad. Very good. Now, one thing you should know is that this vowel is a short vowel. Why is it a short vowel? It is a short vowel because when you pronounce the sound, your mouth is a bit is open slightly, and then the sound comes out quickly. The sound comes out quickly. Now, for instance, you are probably going somewhere, or you're going to school, or you're in the classroom, and then something happens, something very surprising or shocking happens. The first reaction is, ah, that is what you say. Ah, now that is the stressed sound. But this sound we are learning in this class is actually a short vowel, so it is not stressed. So probably you're trying to shout and then your voice just went off. You notice that the sound is no longer stressed. For instance, ah, and then you pause. You try again. Ah. Very good. So that is the correct sound for this vowel. Now we have other examples. We have words like fat, fat. We have man, man. We have family, family, where it occurs here after the f sound. So you have the word family, and then we have laugh. We have laugh. We also have fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. We also have banner, banner, banner. We also have back, back. Very good. Now let's go through these words again where the R sound occur. The first word is bad. Second, fat. The third, man. The fourth, family. The fifth, laugh. The sixth, fantastic. The seventh, banner. And the last, back. So I would love you to figure out other words where this sound occurs. Now, one thing you should know is that we get the correct pronunciation of a word from transcription. From the transcription of the word. Now, if I was to transcribe this first word, bad, you see B. And then the fourth vowel, A. And then the last letter, D. Altogether, we have bad. All right, please do well to look for other words, probably in the dictionary, and figure out where this particular vowel occurs. If you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. I will surely give an answer to all of your questions.